Hey, it's Mustang Stampede out here with a 3033R John Deere tractor. It's a 2020 model. I came out, started up to do some front loader work, and I had no front loader, I had no forward reverse, I had no 3-point pickup. And so I eventually was able to move, and I didn't really understand what was going on. But eventually I noticed I did have a small drip of fluid in this area, and I had a hole in the inside seam of this manifold. That's what John Deere calls it. It's just like a 3-way rubber hose clamped on there, and in the front here, okay? So once you get the front panel off, it's fairly easy to take that front panel off. Then you're gonna wanna remove this heat shield with 10mm, okay? Once you get all your clamps out of the way, you're gonna take 10mm and remove this neck here on the pump. And that will slide out. Then you can pull this whole hose forward. All right. Installation would be the reverse, but I had the hole in the backside on the seam. See the seam right here? That's on the same side. There's a pinky-sized hole on that side, and then it dry rotted right here along this flanged edge of this return pipe. I'll put a link in the description for this manifold. That's what John Deere calls it. It is a 3-way rubber hose. Some people do replace it with normal hose clamps. That's up to you. I will be placing an additional layer of heat shield here. I believe this dry rotted and cracked so quick because it's right beside the hot exhaust. This is a regen tractor, so it does get extremely hot when it does a regen cycle to burn out the soot and the exhaust. But once I did that, I checked the fluid level, I topped the fluid off, and started the tractor, and I immediately had power to my front loader, my 3-point, and I had forward and reverse again. Remember, this is hydrostatic. It's using that same fluid that everything else is using to allow you to move forward and reverse. If you got any questions, let me know. Or if you have any comments about this manifold, or you've had experience with this manifold, you can leave me a comment as well. As always, thanks for watching.